Hey, beauties. Let me guess. Are you here because you're tired of constantly hearing no? You want the new iPhone? Those limited edition shoes? Or maybe you're just trying to get someone to finally help with that assignment. And honestly, you're over the begging, the convincing, and the arguments. You want that sweet, effortless yes. Well, then you're exactly in the right place. Because in this video, I'm dropping real psychology hacks that are so smooth. These tricks work on parents, teachers, friends, literally anyone and everyone. Grab your favorite drink, the prettiest notebook you've got, and let's get into it. Hack number 1, the yes ladder. Alright, this hack is straight up genius. It's like making the brain think it's only right to say yes, but with the smoothest flow ever. Instead of jumping straight into your big ask, which might make them hesitate, ask them questions to which the answer is an obvious yes. Why? Because once someone starts saying yes, their brain naturally wants to keep it going. Let's say you want a bump in your allowance. Don't just blurt out, "Mom, can you give me $10 more this month?" Try this instead. "Mom, haven't I been acing my exams lately? And don't I always keep my room tidy without you having to remind me? So, wouldn't you say I've gotten way more responsible lately?" At this point, your mom's brain is nodding into straight yes. Now, here's the magic moment. Ask, "So, would it be fair to say I deserve a little reward? Then, could you consider increasing my allowance by just $10? And boom. Your chances of getting a yes just skyrocketed. In short, the yes ladder is a technique to make your request feel natural, reasonable, and hard to turn down. Hack number 2, the social proof effect, influence without saying much. Picture this, you're trying to convince someone. But instead of doing all the talking, what if the world spoke for you? Ever noticed how a skincare product goes viral and suddenly it's sold out everywhere? That's social proof. When something feels popular and approved, it automatically feels safer, smarter, and worth it. Now, imagine you want to join an art class, but your parents aren't convinced. Don't beg. Instead, hit them with straight-up facts. Most of my classmates are already doing extracurricular activities. Sarah's in dance, Yuna's learning music, and a bunch are in sports. Then follow it up with, "And our teacher said kids who join after-school activities actually do better in academics." And boom. You've shifted the focus from what I want to what others are doing and why we should do. Use facts, trends, and highlight benefits to make it seem only right. Hack number 3, the because effect. The word that gets you what you want. Have you ever asked for something and got a straight-up no before you even finished the sentence? Here's the reason. It wasn't because your request was too hard to fulfill. You just didn't make it seem reasonable enough to say yes. And that's where the magic word comes in. Because. It's a single word, yet a total game changer. Don't believe it? Here's a trusted and tested experiment. A woman tried cutting in line at a grocery store. She said, "Can I please cut?" Most people straight up hit her with a no. But when she added, "Can I cut because my kid's home alone?" Suddenly, over 90% let her through. Same ask, yet different result. Because the second she gave a reason, it felt logical. It felt worth helping. Here's the truth. People don't want to hear what you want. They want to hear why they should care. Now hold up. This isn't your green light to start lying and making excuses. Just to skip that awkward family dinner or fake your way into a sleepover. Nah, that's not the move. And with this, another video comes to an end.